Is your bills to pay list a mile long, but you don't owe any money? I might have a solution for you. Here at Bethan's Academy, I try to explain how Xero works so you can get back to what you love. Comment, like, and subscribe if you find this video helpful and want more content like it. Today, we will look at why bills you have paid against your personal account are still coming through on the awaiting payments section of bills to pay. So starting on the dashboard screen, what we'll do is click on Business and Bills to Pay. And this is where we will go onto our waiting payments. And I know for a fact that my central copier payments have all been paid by myself. And this is not in the business bank account. This was my director personal bank account. And therefore, these should not be waiting for payment. So if we have a quick look and view this invoice, what we'll see is I've set up this bill incorrectly. The account this has been coded to is director loan account. Although I have paid this, this needs to be allocated to the account that this relates to. This is a central copier's payment, and therefore it relates to IT software, and that is what it needs to go allocated against. Because currently it is on the balance sheet and not the profit and loss. So what I will do for ease, instead of going into each payment individually, I will go back up to our top ribbon and click on Accounting and Find and Recode. And then I will click on Find and Recode, Add Condition, Contact, and we'll start looking for central copiers and then search. So all of these three payments which are allocated to director's loan account, I am going to change, and I will instead add them to IT software. So I will click Recode and then change the account to IT software. Click Review, Confirm, and they've been updated. So now when I go back to the bills to pay section, I can still see them on waiting payment. However, now what I need to do is make the payment against my account. So I will open them up individually. And enter the payment. So I will say this one was paid on the 6th of August by myself, and I paid it from my director's loan account. So I don't have a director's loan account set up. Instead, I'm using my A drawings account. And so this is the one I choose to click and then add payment. And I will do that for each of those payments, and then they will clear from the awaiting payment list. And then what you'll see in your report is now I have profit and loss that will show all of these items in, and I will also have a payment against my name, my director's loan account. So we now have a payment in IT software that relates to the central copier's payments, as you can see here. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to master Xero. See you at the next one.